All right, here we go. 4 years old. We're gonna go ride the Surron Light Bee. Let's go. Think you can handle this thing?
What?
The Surron Light Bee.
Can you get up there?
Yeah.
Nope, nope. Put this foot on the peg. There you go. There you go. Climb up. Use that. There you go. Now swing your leg over.
Swing your leg over.
All right, got your foot on the pegs?
Yeah.
All right, you ready? Watch out, Sansa. Be
Watch.
easy, smooth on the gas, okay? Move, Sansa.
Holy cow. Four years old, guys. Ripping around on a Surron Light Bee in the yard. All right, you ready to stop? You ready to stop?
Yeah.
Okay, come here. I'll catch you. I'll catch you. I'll catch you. I'll catch you. Got you.
Good job, buddy.
Good job, man. How many 4-year-olds have ridden Surrons? That's awesome, dude. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Well, a couple more years, you can have one. Cool? Do you have anything to say?
No.
Nothing.
Do you like it?
What do you think of the Surron?
It's nice.
It's nice.
But why does it need a key?
Why does it need a key? So you can park it on the road and in parking spots and stuff. People can't steal it. Is that a good idea?
Mm-hmm. And why is the seat so far back?
Far back?
Yeah.
It looks a little bit different than a dirt bike, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But it's cool, isn't it?